Every year before Memorial Day, Jennifer wanted to honor her grandfather. She grabbed a pressure washer and some bleach to clean his granite headstone. But within minutes, she watched in horror as the beautiful etched letters blurred and permanent white streaks appeared, scarring the stone forever. She was just trying to help, but the damage was irreversible. If you've ever searched how to safely clean a headstone, please watch this first. Thousands of families accidentally destroy these irreplaceable memorials every year using products they think are safe. Let's make sure you aren't one of them. First, let's cover what you should never use. Bleach. It causes permanent streaking and discoloration, just like what happened to Jennifer's grandfather's stone. Vinegar, or any household acid. They literally dissolve softer stones like marble. And pressure washers? They're far too aggressive, blasting away the surface layer of the stone and erasing delicate inscriptions over time. Using any of these is a recipe for disaster. So, what's the right way? It's all about being gentle. You'll need a biological cleaner specifically designed for stone, some soft bristled brushes, no wire, plenty of clean water, and a lot of patience. Need help finding the correct and safe products and services to use? We can help. We've provided links in the description of professional, safe, and approved services and products, as well as a full how-to tutorial to get the job done right. Start by thoroughly wetting the stone. Then, apply your approved cleaner and gently scrub in small circular motions. Use smaller brushes to carefully work around the lettering and details. Remember, this isn't a race. Proper, safe cleaning can take weeks, especially if you're dealing with stubborn lichen or algae. The biological cleaner needs time to work its magic. It's also crucial to know your stone. Is it granite? This hard, often polished stone is quite durable. Marble? It's much softer and more porous, making it highly susceptible to damage from acids and harsh scrubbing. Or is it a bronze marker? These develop a natural patina over time which shouldn't be scrubbed away. Each material requires a specific approach to avoid causing harm. Look at the difference a safe cleaning can make. Stones covered in black algae can be restored to their original beauty, and inscriptions that were once impossible to read can become crystal clear again. But if a stone is cracked, flaking, or historically significant, it's time to call a professional. Don't risk it. Your loved one's memorial is a priceless link to your family's history. One mistake with the wrong chemical or tool can erase that legacy forever. By taking the time to do it right, you can ensure their final resting place remains a beautiful and dignified tribute for generations to come. For a complete step-by-step guide on how to safely clean any type of headstone, visit us at memorialmerits.com. Have your own experience or tips to share? Please share in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on preserving family memories.